Welcome to Eggiwil in the Emmental region of the canton of Bern. Today we are walking from Eggiwil to Trubschachen. It's about 8.5 kilometers, it should take about 3 hours. So it was supposed to be cloudy the day, but it isn't quite that. So a little bit of sun, but there's a nice bit of breeze. Keep it cool. So hopefully we'll make it all the way. Well, we just passed the highest mark of the walk and we're absolutely knackered because it's been quite steep. It's all downhill from now. And we're just coming up to Blapbach, so we're going to get ourselves a drink if it's open. Well, we're on the last section of the walk now. This is a hard surface road, which hopefully there shouldn't be much in the way of traffic because it should just be the farmers. just arriving in Trubschachen now. It's been quite an enjoyable walk. About 8.5 kilometres. It's supposed to take 3 hours, but it's taking us a bit longer because it's been so hot. The Swiss Meteor weather app lied to us. It was supposed to be cloudy all day, but it wasn't. But never mind. Good reason to end up in Trubschachen is the Kambly biscuit factory, where you can get free samples, which I think we're going to take part of. If you've enjoyed the video, why not give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, or leave us a comment, it would be much appreciated. And we'll see you next time.